Okay, we're going to continue with our look at Project 2, and now we're in Part 2.2, which is designing a masthead for your magazine idea. And one of the ways to do that, of course, is to do some typeface research, some font research. And I've gone to one of the websites I have listed for you. And you can see the way this works. I can search right here to the kind of typeface I might be interested in, such as sci-fi. Hit return, and now I've got a number of typefaces that kind of fit that category. The names of the typefaces are shown in the actual typeface itself. So that's Trench, and that's the name of the typeface, and that's what the Trench typeface looks like. However, I can change the preview by typing right here, and I'm going to type in my word masthead. And now, as you can see, I have all these typefaces with the heading that I'm interested in. Now, once I've typed in the name of the typeface, I can also change the size that I view this, and I'm looking at this one right here. Once I've done that, I can grab the browser window and click and drag this right to my desktop. With that selected, I'm going to go ahead and rename this with the name of the typeface, so I don't forget the name of that font. And now I'm going to go back to this page and keep searching for different typefaces that might be of interest. Once you've collected a number of typefaces, you'll want to create your Photoshop document, so we have a place to show all of these different typeface choices that we're looking at. And we're going to make it a letter sized. That's going to be 8.5 by 11 right there. Maybe we could just change our pixels per inch to 150. Landscape looks good. I'm going to go ahead and click Create. And with this document created now, I'm going to go ahead and just move Photoshop over so I can see my desktop. Click and drag to select all of these screenshots for the font choices, and I can just click and drag those right into my Photoshop document. Click Return, Return, and each of these are coming in as a smart object. It's going to make it really easy to deal with. Now it's going to be a simple matter of scaling each of these using our keyboard shortcut that we already know about. So I'm going to go ahead and continue to size these and move them around and get them into position. And we'll just fast forward right through this. Okay, now this is just one example. I've only got 12 typeface options on this document, but you can easily see how this is going to work. I can select all of these, as a matter of fact, and scale them all and add my other dozen if I needed to. So this is how you're going to begin this document, and put your 24 or so example typefaces in there so you have some great options to look at, and get some input from your classmates, and get a good start on designing your masthead. Let's go ahead and look at the next part of Project 2.